Well, if you ask ChatGPT or Gemini's Nano Banana to create a picture of a purple iPhone 17 Pro Max, it is not going to be able to create a proper picture because these two AI tools, especially the image models, were released before the release of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So it has no idea about how the product actually look like. And by the way, I intentionally asked these two AI tools to create the purple version of this product because there is no purple version of the iPhone 17 Pro Max, so I just want to make sure that it is not in the training data. And yet, there is this AI tool called Reef that is able to create a very accurate picture of the iPhone 17 Pro Max in the purple color. And that is possible because this AI tool is actually able to perform research on the internet. So it sees plenty of pictures about the product and then recreate the same picture but with a different twist. So that's just one new feature from the Reef image model. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this tool to generate and edit a picture. And actually, this new editing tool is really amazing, and you'll be surprised how easy it is to actually interact with this AI tool. So if you want to use it, you can navigate to reef.com and you can create a free account. And this is available for free. You can create plenty of images and the results are pretty amazing. So here, I'm going to start a new album. And I'm going to create a picture using this simple, actually not so simple description. And by the way, you can also start from a picture, but in this case, I'll just create a brand new picture, which later I'm going to modify. So right now, the Reef model is not the best model. It is not even the top 10, but the quality is pretty good and the image editing is very good. It is able to maintain the character consistency. So it is actually comparable to Dream 4.0 and Gemini's Nano Banana. Now we got these three different pictures. And basically, if there is anything that you want to modify, you can click on the image. And after that, you can click edit. And you'll see that there is a unique editing interface that I think for some people is going to be a lot easier. So here it is actually labeling every single element in the picture, like there is the woman, flowers, and trees. So I can expand this woman and it can actually label the dress, the hand, the other body parts basically. So it is making the editing more precise because you can select, you can pinpoint exactly the element that you want to modify. So let's say here, I want to change the color of the dress to red, for example. And by the way, it is also possible to remove an element. Let's say if there is anything that you want to remove, you can click on it and then click this delete button. But for now, I'll just edit the dress color. So let me just click this button and I'm going to change the prompting with red. And after that, click this. Now, what I didn't like about this editing tool is perhaps when I click the check mark icon before, I thought it's going to be immediately edit the picture, but that's actually just applying the prompt into the picture. It is not yet being modified. So to modify the picture, you have to click this button, apply edits, and you have to wait a few more seconds and later it's going to modify that picture. And you will see it is going to be able to maintain the same character and it's going to change only the dress, especially the color of the dress. There you go. So everything else looks the same. And by the way, if you want to delete anything, like in this example, I want to delete the trees in the background, I can click this trash icon, just wait and click apply edits. So yeah, that's basically how you can edit the picture. It is actually very interesting because it labels everything, so it's going to be more precise, and if there are multiple similar items, this is going to be very useful rather than just manually describing the thing that you want to remove. Okay, I still see the trees, so yeah, it is not quite perfect, and that's perhaps the reason why it is not the #1 editing model, but I think it's still quite impressive and actually have done some editings, and I gotta say I'm quite happy that we have another option other than Dream 4.0 and Gemini's Nano Banana and also ChatGPT GPT-4o image generation to create and edit a picture. And another thing I like about this tool is that when you download a picture, there is going to be no watermark whatsoever, and the quality is also pretty good, unlike in the not a banana, where there is going to be a watermark at the bottom right corner of the screen. But with this model, there is no watermark, and of course this is free to use. So it is quite impressive, and I do recommend to just start using this tool and see maybe a few things that you can do with this unique image editing tool. So that's how you can use the new version of Reve AI image to create and edit a picture. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.